Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I will be working on this little MCM side table. Not terrible condition, looks pretty good, just pretty dirty. There's a repair I need to make on the leg, but other than that, pretty good. The back leg was wobbly and I actually removed it and I put it into the front, and you can see right here it's all chewed up from this nail head that is sticking up. So I'm gonna try and hammer this nail head down and get it flat and see if that is going to solve the problem, and if it's just as simple as that. Yep, nailed it down and made it flush. Now my leg is no longer wobbly. Vinegar to clean this. I'm just going to use straight vinegar and pour down a rag and wipe it down and get it really squeaky clean. There are some various areas where I have some paint there and there, as well as some scuff marks there and right about here. I'm going to use some lacquer thinner on a paper towel to try and remove that. The existing finish on this, so I'm being careful not to rub too hard to remove any of the existing finish. Okay, so I'm going to take the Howards and I'm going to put it on a paper towel like so, and then you just wipe it on. I'm not sponsored by Howards. I just really enjoy their products and I get a lot of great use out of them. Gotta make sure you get it down into any scratches or scuff marks. I'm using a dark walnut, which I think is a good match to the original color of this piece. This side had a pretty decent sized nick in it, so I made sure to saturate my paper towel and penetrate that exposed wood so that way it matched more of the rest of the existing finish on the side of this table. This top is just for mica, but I'm going to go ahead and do the Howards over top of it. Any scratches or scuffs, you gotta make sure you penetrate that with the Howards. Sometimes there's some deep indentations and you need to put a little extra on it, a little extra Howards on it to fill those areas and let that Howard seep down into any scratches or scuff marks. Howard's is definitely not a permanent solution to refinishing furniture, but it is a great way just to liven it up a little bit and just make it look fresh. So now that I've applied it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe off any excess with a clean cloth or paper towel. It's probably best to use a lint-free cloth, but as you can see, I'm using a paper towel and it's fine. I'm also going to apply the Howards to the sides of the drawers as well as the inside of the drawers to freshen everything up. For my handle, I clean this also with vinegar, and then I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper and scuff it up, just to give my paint some tooth and something to grip to. Next, I'm going to use Howard's Feed and Wax Wood Polish and Conditioner. This will not only give it a little bit of shine, but a little bit of protection as well. So with this product, you are going to wipe it on. I like to go in circular motions, like I'm buffing it. And it's important to wait 30 minutes after applying the Howard Restore Finish before you apply this product. So I'm going to buff it on and I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to buff it off. Okay, it's been approximately 10 minutes and I am going to wipe off the excess Howard's Feed and Wax. Spray painted my drawer pull and I'm going to add that on. And then it's done. Let's have a quick look at the before we check out the final reveal. There was a lot of dirt and a lot of scratches and scuff marks, but I really love how the Howard's Restore Finish and the Howard's Feed and Wax really polished it up and made it shine. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Have you ever used Howard's before, any of their products, and what do you think? Thanks again. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.